Garmin Fusion MS-BB100 Black Box Marine Head Unit Review. Clean install, clear sound proof. Ever tried upgrading your boat's stereo only to realize there's nowhere to put it? You stare at your helm, already crowded. I remember holding a full-size head unit over the console thinking, this just isn't going to work. Limited space, messy wiring, and zero room for mistakes. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone, right? Then comes the frustration. You want clean audio on the water, not distortion and interference. But bulky marine stereos eat space, and cheap setups create tension every time the volume spikes. Bluetooth drops, controls lag. It starts feeling like compromise is unavoidable. There has to be a smarter, cleaner way to get powerful marine sound.
That's where the Garmin Fusion MS-BB100 Black Box Marine Head Unit changes the equation. Don't just choose any marine head unit. Make sure it includes a built-in Class AB amplifier with NMEA 2000 Fusion Link integration so you can avoid distortion and messy helm installations from the start. The first thing I noticed was freedom. This compact black box mounts discreetly inside a locker or console, keeping your dash clean and uncluttered. The included IPX7 wired remote makes adjustments quick and easy. And here's what surprised me most. The Bluetooth receiver is built directly into the remote itself, helping reduce signal interference with your phone. The Class AB amplifier delivers clear, low-distortion audio at 26 watts RMS across 4 channels, providing crisp highs and solid mid-bass performance. Multi-zone technology allows independent control of 2 separate audio areas, so cockpit volume never overwhelms the bow. Add Fusion Link and NMEA 2000 control through your Garmin MFD, and your stereo feels fully integrated instead of simply added on. Can you picture that cleaner helm already?
What builds confidence is the consistency in real-world use. Across boating forums, owners regularly mention how clear and surprisingly powerful the sound feels for such a compact unit. Industry reviewers have highlighted the Class AB amplifier's reduced distortion compared with many other black box systems. Fishing World Australia described the audio quality as exceeding expectations in a small center console setup. Garmin documentation confirms full Fusion Link integration, allowing you to adjust volume or skip tracks directly from compatible chart plotters while keeping navigation in view. Now let's address a common concern: installation mistakes. Some factory installations mounted units incorrectly, with connectors facing upward, which can allow water intrusion. Fortunately, the solution is simple and well documented. Mount the unit vertically with connectors facing down to maintain proper IPX3 protection. When installed correctly, the system performs reliably in harsh marine environments. If you value a clean dash, dual zone control, and smart device integration without a bulky display, this solution makes a lot of sense. Quick question: would you rather sacrifice valuable console space or hide the brains of the system and keep the control? The Garmin Fusion MS-BB100 Black Box Marine Head Unit delivers cleaner installation, clearer sound, and smarter integration without crowding your helm. Thousands of boaters rely on Fusion systems for dependable marine audio engineered to handle demanding conditions on the water. If you want powerful, controlled sound with a minimal footprint, this is a calm and confident upgrade. You'll find the affiliate link in the description and pinned comment, along with full disclosure displayed on screen. Take a closer look, compare it with your options, and see if it's the right fit for your boat today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.